Guys, welcome back to my video. And today I just finished my beautiful truck in Malabayan. Look at this beautiful that killer train. This is gonna be cool. I have colds today. And that's the Colossus engine there, and this is the Oculus active protection Oculus, and the engine Colossus. I swear if something disturbs me, bro, I want to equip this but I can't. Oh wait, what? Why does this happen every time? Please tell me, guys, or I will destroy this video. Grip. Ip, 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 and we're already in. Let's play! Broken Memorial. This map hates me a lot. I lose many times in this map. Like every time I just spawn, die. Every time I just shoot something, die. Every time I just accidentally drive and died. When I get sniped, died. When I'm sniping, died. When somebody is in my side, dead too. And me, dead as well. When I'm in my Leviathan, a mega Leviathan comes to me and then says, lights flashing before your eyes. What, they think they're dead or something? It's the killer train we're messing with. And I still died. Bruh. That's the worst thing that happened to me. And if somebody comes into the room, I'm so gonna be mad. Waiting, 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 waiting. There we are! Okay, so, oh. You look at that sick tray! What? I'm just gonna snipe here until my turret is bro, they have minions. We should kill them. Let's do this. Bam. I should kill the turrets first. Let's do this. Boom. Oh no. Oh. I thought they saw me. Shoot! Damn it! I'm lagging. Guys, help me, I'm lagging. I'm lagging so badly. Not anymore. Whoa! 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 I should get the hell out of here! Why did I lag? Stop lagging! Ow! 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 Who the hell are these people? Oh, I'm just the only one. This is intense. Boom! Hey-yo! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh god. Ow, ow. Pow. I'm hurting like a villager. Get out. I'm getting the hell out of here. No. He ain't got spawn minions on me. Gosh, they're the full team. I just wish I would just be dead right in a second. Damn, all players in your team are destroyed. Bro, that's a GG, my guy. Wait, what? The hell are they? So much teams. They're all firing me like an American artillery. If you knew the war between Philippines and the American, that's what it feels like when you're alone in when your when your teammates are already dead and you're alone, and that's a win-win and defeat for you, or lose for you. So take the L. That's not my fault. And if I die, it's my fault. Because I didn't play much. Searching. 40, 41, 42, 40. Your mom! Hey guys, I have a joke for you. Have you know about your mom? Bro, it's still loading! It's still loading! Bro, it's been 9 minutes! I hope Jesus is gonna help me. Because if my teammates help me, I'll be dead. Okay, here we are. Cold, they're getting me. Ow! Ow! Stop bumping into me, or I'll also bump into you. I'm a big guy, you know? Ow! What am I owing? I just bumped. Am I so dumb? Ah, what was that? Oh, my teammate. Where did he come? Where did he come from? I should get out with these, right? I should get out with these. Never mind, they have a turret, guy. I should get the heck out of here. Hey, yo, this guy's about to be done. Ah! Destroy this gun. No, there's another gun. Die, you dumb idiot. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Right. Hey, watch your language. And watch your gun. I'm messing with a big guy here. Dang it. Reload. Bro, why am I not hitting him? No, I still need to kill this guy. Bro, why does he keep moving? You ain't running away right now, are you? Okay, you better still spin that wheel. Yeah, that's right. You better die. And watch you go to hell. Ow. Ow, you just... Oh, God. That's what you get. Look like dummy. No, not today. Steer. I literally really can't steer. Yay. But we still lose. No. But up. I got 2 kills. Yeah. Yeah, let's play again, but with PvE. Let's go, baby! See! Base defense! Destroy as many enemies as possible! Midway 11! Mark description! Sniper! 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 Cancel! Searching! 70%, 18%! 19% 20! Yeah! Yeah! Headphones warning too! We should kick the heck out of these AIs! Oh, hello guys. Yo, guy, flexing his cyclone. Get out. Hey! My sound so dumb. IQ 21. God! Ow, my God! Ow! Ow! Ayos brother! Kuya, ayos Kuya, wait, yeah, wait for a second. My brother is acting like a little baby. Wait for a second. Guys. See ya tomorrow.